Okay, we are back with NASA astronaut Mike Fink talking about the Kids in Micro-G Experiment Design Challenge. Mike, what should these experiments be geared for?
Well, Nathan, taking advantage of the small fraction of normal Earth gravity is the purpose of the Kids in Micro-G Experiment Design Challenge. We want our student scientists to take advantage of a unique aspect of microgravity that can't be duplicated in the classroom. Student scientists should devise an experiment that demonstrates a physical principle or physical effect which utilizes microgravity. The experiment should have an observably different result when performed by the astronauts on the ISS than when the student scientists perform the same experiment in their classroom.
Hey, let's check out a couple of the science classroom type items such as these Earth, Moon, and Mars, and these gyroscope devices.
Yeah, it's good to represent the three major targets of human exploration: the Earth, the Moon, and Mars. These scale models give students a good idea of the relative sizes. Also, the students have a blue 4 feet by 6 feet Nomex backdrop available to them that has a calibrated grid. The use of this backdrop, along with the stopwatch timer, might offer some interesting possibilities.
So, Mike, tell me how this gyro exerciser and this gyro tube works.
Yeah, this is really neat principle, and it demonstrates kind of one of the physical principles, one of the things that we'd like to see in the student experiments. This is a gyroscope. It's a normal toy gyroscope, and we pull a string on it and get it all spinning. This gyroscope will not want to move. Even in free space, it would be hard to move this around, and this ability of the gyroscope to want to point in the same direction all the time is really helpful for pointing our spacecraft. It's also very helpful for aircraft navigation, as well as
gyro exerciser.
Gyro exerciser. The gyro exerciser has a gyroscope inside, which is just nothing but a ball that we get spinning really fast. And then if we try to put a few side forces on it, it's going to wobble because it didn't want to move to the side. And this wobbling motion actually helps us exercise our hands. So the gyroscopic principle is just a common physical principle, but it's useful here on Earth as well as in space.